Hi everyone, it's me again and welcome back to Pagkaing Pinoy TV. So today I'm going to teach you how to make leche or leche flan plus gelatin in one. So this is two desserts in one and I hope you can try this recipe as well. So let's start doing it. First, we will make the caramel. Place the yanera over flame stove and set the fire to low heat. Then I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of water. We're going to cook this until the sugar turns into light brown liquid. Using a tongue, tilt the mold to evenly spread the caramel. Let it cool until the sugar forms and turn into solid. In a large bowl, combine 8 pieces of egg yolks, 1 can evaporated milk. So this is about 400 ml of evaporated milk. Then we're also going to add 1 can of condensed milk. This is 395 ml. Next, I'm going to start mixing it using a wire whisk, and I'm going to do this until everything is well combined. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then I will continue to mix it. Next, use a strainer or a sieve to filter out any lumps and pop any bubbles. This process is really important to make a smooth and creamy flan. Using a separate bowl, we will dissolve 1 pack of Mr. Gulaman with 4 cups of water. So here I'm adding 1 sachet of Mr. Gulaman. This is unflavored powder and I prefer yellow color. Whisk it until well dissolved. By the way, you may also use other brands of jelly powder. Just follow the instruction provided on the packaging. Next, we're going to transfer the jelly mixture into a pot over the lowest heat. We're going to bring the mixture into nearly boiling, but we're not actually going to boil it. When the bubble starts to appear, we will gradually pour the egg milk mixture while stirring. Continuously stir, then remove from the heat after 2 minutes. Here's our yanera with caramel. Now we will pour the mixture into each mold. We will let it cool and we will put it inside the refrigerator for 2 to 4 hours or until set. Our jelly flan has set, so we're now going to remove it from the yanera and serve it into a plate. Look at that, it looks so perfect and delicious. So guys, what are you waiting for? Try this recipe, I'm sure you will like it. And don't forget to click on subscribe and tap the bell icon so you can receive notification on our latest video. And if you have any suggestion that you would like me to do next, just comment it below. Visit our website at www.pagkaingpinoytv.com so you can get the full recipe. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook page at Pagkaing Pinoy TV 1, where we also post daily recipes. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!